This is a one-way trip for me.
Are you good? Oh, any of you still alive?
We can go home.
2026 is shaping up to be an epic year for movies. From thrilling action and sci-fi adventure to gripping dramas and unforgettable stories, here are the countdown of 20 most anticipated upcoming films. Let's dive in. Number 20, The Bride.
Please don't hurt me, please. I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for? Did you
Stop right there!
The dead have got something to say. And I'm saying it.
The Bride of Franken.
But first, smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestion. And we are guys only 900 subscriber far away to reach 1k subscriber. So please. And I hope guys I will get 5000 subscribers from this video. It is a gothic science fiction horror and drama film written and directed by Maggie Gyllenhaal. Set in 1930s Chicago, the story follows a lonely Frankenstein monster who travels to city to ask a groundbreaking scientist to create a companion for him. They reanimate a murdered young woman, but the bride they bring back is far more radical and dangerous than they ever imagined. It is a gritty gothic horror movie with mind-bending visuals and dark atmosphere. Number 19, Project Hail Mary.
Keep me in go time, pal.
to go wrong?
This ship wasn't built for this.
He saved stars. We can go home.
It is a mind-bending science fiction survival epic directed by Phil Lord and Christopher Miller. The movie stars Ryan Gosling. The story follows Ryan, a junior high school teacher and former biologist who wakes up on a spacecraft with no memory of his identity or why he is there. As his memory slowly returns, he realizes his Earth's last hope to stop a sun-eating microbe that is causing a global ice age. It is a high-concept sci-fi adventure movie with mind-bending twist and intense graphic survival sequence.
I understand that you think I'm the right person for this mission.
Dr. Grace, the world is counting on you.
I'm gonna call you Rocky. We're here for the same reason.
Number 18, Michael.
I need to hear you a little louder. Y'all willing to fight for it?
Yes, sir.
Ready when? Because the Jackson family is the brand. That's our Coca-Cola. And we need to.
Just have all these ideas in my head. Just gotta get them out.
Michael, I knew you were different the moment you were born. You have a very special life.
You can change the world. Spread love, joy, and peace. That is what I want the world to feel. Magic.
Something. In this life, you're either a winner or you're a loser. Y'all want to work in a steel mill? You're a little louder. Y'all willing to fight for it?
Yes, sir.
Ready whenever you are, Michael.
You wanna be the biggest store in the world?
Because the Jackson family is the brand. That's our Coca-Cola. And we need to start selling.
I need to think.
I told you what to think.
Just have all these ideas in my head. Just gotta get them out.
I knew you were different the moment you were born. You have a very special life.
It is a biographical musical drama directed by Antonio Fuqua. The film stars Jafar Jackson in a transformative performances. The story follows the massive rise and the gritty, controversial fall of the king of pop. It covers the Jackson 5 era, the creation of Thriller, and the immense pressure of global fame. It is a gritty, biographical drama with intense musical visuals and a tragic twisty story. Number 17, Mortal Kombat 2.
Find you annoying.
Not the face!
It's time to become the hero.
It is a graphic martial arts fantasy action movie directed by Simon M.C. Quaid. The story follows the Earth Realm champions, now joined by a washed up and downtrodden Johnny Cage, as they are forced into the actual Mortal Kombat tournament in Outworld. It is a gritty, graphic martial arts action movie with supernatural fantasy elements and intense twisty combat. Number 16, The Mandalorian and Grogu. It is a science fiction fantasy adventure directed by Jon Favreau. The story follows Din Djarin and the powerful young apprentice Grogu as they embark on a gritty mission to the Outer Rim. The plot involves a twisty conspiracy within the New Republic and a graphic clash with an Imperial remnant faction building a new super weapon. It brings the small screen magic to a grand cinematic scale. It is a gritty sci-fi adventure with intense dogfights, graphic combat, and mind-bending space fantasy visuals. Number 15, Master of the Universe.
Get weird.
You protect them.
It is a high fantasy action adventure directed by Travis Knight. After being separated for 15 years, Adam returned to Eternia to reclaim his birthright. The story follows his discovery of the power of Grey Skull and his gritty battle against the Dark Sorcerer Skeletor. The plot features mind-bending magic and graphic, large-scale battle sequences between tech and sorcery. Number 14, Disclosure Day.
What are you gonna do?
Full disclosure.
People keep wondering.
Do you think there could be others?
It is a mind-bending science fiction thriller directed by Steven Spielberg. The movie stars Emily Blunt and Josh O'Connor. The story follows the world's reaction to a sudden, undeniable proof of alien contact. The plot focuses on a TV meteorologist and a government agent as they navigate the gritty societal collapse and a twisty mystery involving an alien signal that is altering human perception. It is a grounded look at how the world ends and begins on the same day. Number 13, Toy Story 5.
I was standing. You could hide it. And they
Oh, thank you!
Hi there, I'm Lilypad. Let's play!
It is an animated fantasy adventure produced by Pixar. The movie features the voices of Tom Hanks and Tim Allen. The story follows the gang as they face their greatest threat, digital destruction. The plot follows Woody and Buzz as they lead a gritty toy resistance against a new wave of high-tech, AI-driven gadgets that are replacing imagination. It features a twisty, emotional journey about the relevance of play in a graphic digital age. Number 12, Supergirl.
Your ride is clear. Let's be honest, babe, it's not a very high bar.
Even the day.
Her Tom didn't die in a day. This is gonna end well. For you guys.
It is a gritty sci-fi fantasy adventure directed by Craig Glass. The movie stars Millie Alcock. The story follows a hardened, battle-weary Supergirl as she travels the galaxy with a young alien girl and a giant space dog on a bloody quest for vengeance. The plot is a mind-bending space western that explores the graphic trauma of losing one's homeworld and the gritty reality of being a god among mortals. Number 11. Moana.
The sea, it calls.
It is a live-action musical fantasy adventure directed by Thomas Kail. The movie stars Catherine Laga and Dwayne Johnson. The story follows Moana's heroic voyage to save her people, reimagined with massive scale practical effects. The plot features graphic battles with the lava demon Toakio and twisty encounters with ocean spirits, all set against breathtaking photorealistic landscape. Number 10. The Odyssey.
And home.
It is a mind-bending science fiction epic written and directed by Christopher Nolan. The movie stars Matt Damon, Robert Pattinson, and Zendaya. While the plot is a closely guarded secret, the story is rumored to involve time distortion and maritime travel on a futuristic interstellar scale. The plot features twisty narrative structure and jaw-dropping IMAX visuals of alien oceans in gravity-defying environments. Number 9. Spider-Man Brand New Day.
We ready?
It is a gritty superhero action thriller directed by Destin Daniel Cretton. The movie stars Tom Holland. Following the multiversal memory vibe, the story follows Peter Parker as he attempts to live a normal, isolated life in NYC. The plot follows a gritty, street-level war against the Kingpin and Scorpion, featuring twisty betrayals and graphic fight choreography. Peter must decide whether to reclaim his past or embrace a lonely, dangerous future. Number 6. Street Fighter. It is a gritty martial arts action movie directed by Flopu brothers. The story follows Ryu and Ken as they uncover a dark criminal conspiracy while competing in a global underground tournament. The plot features spectacle graphic fight choreography and a twisty crime narrative that threats the source material with intense John Wick style realism. Number 5. The Hunger Games Sunrise on the Reaping.
Twice the glory.
It is a gritty dystopian action drama directed by Francis Lawrence. The story follows a young Haymitch during the 50 Hunger Games. The plot follows the graphic and twisty survival of twice the number of tributes in a paradise arena that turns out to be a mind-bending death trap. It explored the gritty reality of how Haymitch became the man we know. Number 1. Avengers Doomsday.
The king has his duties.
King M'Baku of Wakanda.
Then, Yancey Street between Broome and Grand.
It It is a mind-bending superhero action epic directed by the Russo brothers. The movie stars Robert Downey Jr. as Victor Von Doom. The story follows the Avengers, Fantastic Four and X-Men as they reunite against a multiversal collapse. The plot follows Doom as he manipulates reality, attacks the TVA and attempts to become God Emperor Doom. It features mind-bending reality shift, graphic battles between iconic heroes and a twisty narrative that resets the entire MCU.